Hello, welcome back to Belly's Kitchen. If today is the first time of watching my channel, please like this channel, subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment. So on today's recipe, we are preparing pasta. But our pasta, this time we are going to use milk to cook our pasta with our vegetables and then salmon. So let's go on and see our ingredients. My salmon, veggies, pasta, milk, cheese, black pepper, thyme, salt to taste, olive oil, margarine. That's all what we need for our ingredients for our recipe for today. So let's start. So I'm adding my milk. Don't forget, it's two cups of milk. So this is one. I'm adding another one too. So this is the second cup of our milk. You can use 1 liter of milk. And then you add your pasta. Add your pasta and then you stir it together. Add your 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and then salt to taste. That's all what you need for our recipe. Then you continue stirring it. Continue stirring it. You have to continue stirring it for some time. And then you cover it. You are going to cook it for 30 minutes. As time goes on, you open it and then stir it again. Whilst our pasta is on fire, let's fry our veggies. I'm adding my margarine, a little bit of olive oil. Just a little one. Let our margarine melt. Everything. Then we add our veggies inside. It's very simple recipe, eh? Very simple and delicious. Doesn't waste time at all to make this recipe. Very delicious one. Okay. First, I'm adding my carrot because it's very hard. Carrots and then the broccoli. Then you stir it for some time, maybe 2 to 4 minutes. Then we add the rest of the veggies. Very simple one. Let's check our pasta too. Yes. Continue stirring it until all the milk is dry on it. Hi guys, I'm adding the rest of my veggies, all the bell peppers, all the colors and then onion. I will link all the ingredients that I'm using right now below my description box. 1 tablespoon of black pepper and then 1 tablespoon of dialbrodo. This is only the spices that we are using it. Then you continue stir it until it's a little bit soft. Our lunch is going to be you can even enjoy it in the evening for your dinner. lunch. You can use use it anytime that you prefer. My family really love this recipe. They really love it. You leave it. Then you add a little bit of salt to taste. Just a little salt to taste. Then you are okay. You leave it for 4 to 5 minutes. Guys, our veggies is almost ready. You don't want it too soft. Let's check our pasta. Wow. It's also cooking. Stir it a little bit. Not to stuck inside your pan. Okay, let's cover it. Okay guys, our veggies is ready. Let's spice our fish. This 1 teaspoon of all-purpose of fish spices. And a little bit of salt to taste. Just all what you need. Just a simple recipe. Then we fry it to enjoy our pasta. This is the rest of our oil and the margarine that we use it to stir our veggies. We are not going to throw it away. We just add a little bit of oil and then we use it to fry our fish. This one we don't need too much of oil. Just a little one. Let it heat a little bit. 2 minutes, then we start frying our fish. Continue stirring it a bit. One side of our fish is ready, so I'll turn it. Left with another side. So guys, our pasta is almost cooked, so we are adding a little bit of olive oil. Just a little. Then you stir it together. After you see everything is dry off, then we add our cheese to it. We are going to leave it for about another 5 minutes. Now guys, it's time for me to add my cheese because it's cooked. All the latter has been dried off. Very delicious. We have finished. Hello, my loving family. Our recipe is ready. Our cooked pasta with milk is ready. Just look at it. Very delicious. If you have children at home, they really love it. They're going to love it because it's very delicious. If today is the first time of watching this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment. because we have a lot here for you. We'll catch up in our next recipe. See you.